Government Secretary and anak ng Cavite, John Vic Remulla, Energy Secretary Sharon Garin, members of the Homeowners Association, fellow workers in government, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am pleased to join you all today here in the Ningning Solar Rooftop Power Facility. It's an initiative that is a monumental one, as it lights up homes and the path forward to the country's energy transition. Solaris and Remulla Lands have done something quite remarkable. They adopt renewable technology innovations right here on the rooftops of Filipino families here in Naga. Halos 2,000 tahanan ang kasama sa proyektong ito. Bawat isa sa kanila ay pinagkukunan ng malinis na enerhiya dahil sa mga solar panel na nakalagay sa kanilang mga bubong. Ito po ang grid-connected, utility-scale solar project sa buong mundo na matatagpuan sa isang socialized housing community. Higit pang nakakahanga, ang Ningning Project, hindi lang solar technology ang hatid nito sa atin, nagbibigay din ng suporta at ng kita dito sa mga nakatira.